With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked to refer to the given graph representing interplay of different hormones A to D during menstrual cycle in women. We are supposed to answer the question that follows, right? So the question is that which hormones are excreted in urine after menopause, right? So we discuss what the menopause is. So it's basically the permanent, right? It is the permanent stoppage, right? Permanent stoppage of the menstrual cycle, right? Permanent stoppage of the menstruation or the menstrual cycle in females around the age of 50, right? That's basically known as the menopause, right? So we are asked that which hormones are excreted in the urine after menopause. So we discuss what are the different labelings here. So the A labeling represents the hormone estrogen, right? Then B labeling represents the hormone FSH, C labeling represents the hormone LH, and the D labeling represents the hormone progesterone, right? So basically, how do we get to know that the C labeling or these are the labelings? So if we correlate, A is basically the LH, C is basically the LH, because during the 14th day, right, during the 14th day when the ovulation is most likely to happen, right, during that period there is an LH surge, which is basically a sudden hike in the level of the LH, which is seen during the 14 days, so which is seen by the labeled part C, right? Then during the follicular phase, estrogen is usually high, right? And during the luteal phase, the level of progesterone is comparatively high, right? Which is because it is secreted by the corpus luteum, and hence it is important for the maintenance of the pregnancy. Now, anyway, we move on to a question. So we are asked that which hormones are excreted in urine after the menopause. So it is basically the B and C. It represents the FSH and the LH, right? They are basically excreted, right? They are basically excreted in the urine after the menopause. So at the age about 45 years to 50 years, the production of estrogen, right? The production of the estrogen by the ovaries decreases, right, as the number of primordial follicles they approaches 0, right? So when estrogen production falls below a critical value, the estrogen can no longer inhibit the production of the gonadotropins, right? It cannot then inhibit, right? It can't then inhibit the release or the secretion of the FSH and the LH, which are the gonadotropins, right? So instead, the gonadotropins, that's FSH and LH, mainly the FSH, right? They are produced after the menopause in large quantity, right, in large amount and continuous quantities. So the same are then excreted, and hence then because they are produced in the large amount, and hence their secretion becomes more and more in their excretion becomes more and more in the urine after menopause. So we can say that both B and C are the correct answer. So we can say that option 4 is the correct answer here, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.